My name is Exion, the engineer. I'll be unboxing the Bernzomatic Pro Series Duracast 8000. This is a propane torch that I purchased at Lowe's for $67.98. I know they sell this at Home Depot, so it might be branded differently, but at Lowe's, this is the Bernzomatic Pro Series.
Pro Series.
This thing has an adjustable ultra swirl flame. It says it's good for soldering, woodworking, brazing, and auto work. You can use this at any angle, instant on-off ignition, continuous flame lock, adjustable flame, and Duracast body construction. And it has a limited lifetime warranty. Yay! So let's see what's inside. So the first thing that I pulled out is the propane bottle itself. This is MAP Pro Gas. Okay. And then let's see, what else does it come with? Plastic. This is a Bernzomatic TS8000. So let's see. On it, it looks like there's a stem which connects to the bottle. Looks like this thing pops off, and then you can just insert and just twist it. Look at this. It has a push knob. That and look like this looks like a lock. So I guess you could press this in, lock it, and it stays locked. Isn't that cool? Isn't that cool? So it looks like, here, let me do that again. So you can press this in, lock it, and let go. Ha! Isn't that cool? And then it looks like you can unlock it just by pressing that back in, and you can also adjust the amount of flame coming out of it. So turning it clockwise is to turn it off. So yeah, let's see what else is in the box. Nothing. That's it. There's nothing else in the box. So that's all it comes with. Is it a good value for $67? I don't know. I don't buy these that often. What you do here to connect it is you press it and you twist until it stops. Okay, how does it feel? It feels pretty good. The weight, it's not too heavy. How do we get it to turn on? Okay, so we loosen. Whoa! Ha! Okay. That's really nice. It automatically shuts itself off. All right, I can't wait to use it. Wow. All right, let me turn this off so I'm not wasting gas. Okay, so I'm going to be testing out this blow torch. I'm going to be bending back this piece of metal on the fence, which is protruding. You know, safety first. I'm going to wear my goggles and some heat-resistant gloves. And let's start. So I'm going to spin this knob to the maximum so I can get the most amount of heat out of this. And here we go. You know what? I'm going to need water. Okay, another safety measure that you need is water. So I'm going to have this close by just in case the grass catches on fire, and my trusty cameraman will be able to put out the fire.
Am I?
Yes.
Excuse me, it's camera woman, not cameraman.
Oh, I need to turn on the... Okay, here we go.
Smells like it's burning.
Yeah. getting hot. You gotta keep doing it until the metal turns red. There we go. Getting hotter and hotter. Look at that. He's able to bend it back. Nice. And that is it. All done. Thank you for visiting our channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any videos like this. Again, thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.